Hello there, gardeners. It's been a while since Christmas, and somehow we forgot to put the tree out for the collection of the council. Does that sound familiar at all? If it does, not a problem at all. We can recycle the tree and make very good use of it in our garden. First, get your tools ready. We need loppers on the left, secateurs, the ones in the middle, and a hand saw. Let's start by cutting off the branches. Use the secateurs for the thinner branches. Always wear protective gloves. For the thicker branches, use the loppers. And what the loppers can't manage, the hand saw will do. Working with sharp tools will make your life much easier. You can either sharpen them at home or bring them to a company who will do it for you. We're nearly there, just the last few branches to take off. Here's the result of all the hard work. Keep the larger branches to one side. I use these branches to protect the plants in my flower bed. The best time to do that is straight after Christmas. That way the extra layer of the branches will protect my plants against the hard frost in January and February, but somehow this year I missed it. The small branches are brilliant to start a barbecue. Nothing goes to waste here. I cut the trunk into a few sections, big enough to fit into my wood burner, and let it dry out for 1 or 2 years. That adds to my stash of wood for burning, and nothing has to be brought to the recycling center. So here are the barbecue starters on the left in the pot, the logs in the middle for my log burner, and on the right the branches to cover my flower bed. I'll show you what I mean by using the Christmas tree branches. Simply put them onto the bed, in this case it's my vegetable patch, and make sure the crop or the plants that you're protecting get enough light and have enough space between the branches. The Christmas tree branches will let enough water and air through so your plants will thrive. It also means you've used all natural materials and didn't buy anything you didn't already have.